I'm going for a business trip. Have a nice day.
And I'm from Iran. Meet you.
Thank you. Your participation will be appreciated. Hi, good morning. Now I'm in a street near the Shenzhen Bao'an International Airport. I'm searching for food, spicy food. And luckily I found one, the red. The weather is also very nice today. Good morning, Shenzhen. Where are you flying to today?
We're flying to Taipei, business visit. We visit China the first time. We think that it's an amazing country.
Amazing and interesting, right? And
Yes.
also you find a lot of business opportunities here.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Russian.
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have a nice trip.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Hi.
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 Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Flight time will be 9 hours 5 minutes today. During the flight. For your safety, please keep your seat belt fastened while sitting.
入座后系好安全带。
Hi, I just finished noodle and now gonna have a piece of bread. And there is a small cup of yogurt and some fruit. It's from New Zealand. This. 你好，要喝点什么？不用了，还有，谢谢。Ladies and gentlemen, seatbelts fully fastened, and the devices are in flight mode or powered off. Thank you. Cabin crew, prepare for landing. Hi everyone, after a long trip for about 10 hours and now we finally arrived at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And how about you? How was your day? Have a nice day. Welcome to King Khalid International Airport.